You found the music for your animation. Great. But your characters are talking and your weird cringy voice as a temporary solution doesn't work for you anymore. It is also kinda weird that your team of fantasy heroes and their magical horse all sound the same. And the same sounds like a random guy in a basement, eh? Okay, let's go fix that. There's a lot of up-and-coming voice actors on the internet, from super professional ones to rookies to aspiring talents that just bought their first Blue Yeti mic. But you gotta understand one thing. You cannot hire these people and only pay them with experience. This practice is extremely frowned upon because it lowers the whole quality of work of voice acting in general. And this also affects creative work online, like making animations. I know you're a starving animator yourself. We all live in our mom's basement, you know. But you have to compensate these voice actors in some way, so it's a fair wage to everyone. People deserve to be paid for their hard work. If you save up some money from your part-time job, you can get a price range of who you can hire. You can send them your script, animatic, and character designs, and they'll do the best of their abilities for this. Yes, they will hear your cringy temp voice acting that you did yourself. Yes, it's going to be super funny. But you know, some people see that as endearing. They can see that you have so much enthusiasm to make this animated film come to life. That you voice for your manly cowboy gunslinger, his trusted talking horse, and to the princess stuck in a castle that turns into a vampire ninja at night. Oh, wait. You don't have any money because you're a broke basement dweller like the rest of us? Oh, I got you, buddy. We've all been there. Or more like, a lot of us are still here. Broke and no money to hire some awesome voice acting talent. Alright, it's time to make some friends. Networking, talking to people through Discord, Twitter, slide in DMs. Do what you can to properly introduce yourself. Don't be weird about it though. Actually, make friends for friends' sake, and not just because you need local voice acting talent. Collaborate on each other's works. I'm sure some amateur voice actors wanted to work in an animated film, the same as you want them to voice act in yours. Just talk to them and find out what would be a fair and proper compromise that both of you can be really happy with. But do remember that some people are already pushing this to be their full-time job, so they might be more inclined to be paid rather than to collaborate. So, no worries there, alright? Voice actors elevate your film even higher. This movie is slowly becoming real now.